How often is this factory running?
This time of year, during the fourth quarter kind of holiday season, we're running 5 days a week, almost 24 hours a day.
No shit.
Yeah, we're busy.
Oh my God.
It gets kind of mesmerizing, like you can sit and watch this stuff and you just feel your mind go blank. It's really kind of incredible.
Hi guys, this is Franco. The video that I'm learning this week is how Tabasco factory makes 700,000 bottles of hot sauce per day. And the word I've learned is mesmerizing. Mesmerizing means very attractive and makes you want to keep looking. For example, my childhood crush is Athena Chu. Her smile is mesmerizing. Because of her, I've watched the movie called A Chinese Odyssey over 50 times, I think. And I'm not joking. And finally, let's see a real-life example of the word mesmerizing.
France is filled with iconic sights and mesmerizing views. My job today is to help you sort through many of those so that you can organize your trip to be the best experience possible for you on your trip, hopefully in 2015 or 2016.
Thanks for watching. You may also find the vocab flashcards of this week in the description. See ya.